Hi everyone, welcome to Tuesday Tutorials. Today we are doing Parsvottanasana, which is the side extended stretch, right? This is really good to stimulate your digestion and it gives a lot of blood flow to the organs on the sides. So your liver, your kidney, and also if you have high blood pressure or any diarrhea or any loose bowel movements during these days, please don't do it. And if you have any knee trouble also, don't do it. So let's get to it. Join me in the left side, correct, left side. So we're going to start with mountain pose, right, always, and think about the benefits, and you're going to move your right foot to your right side, that's it. Then you're going to inhale and interlace your fingers behind you, right. Then you're going to inhale, exhale, turn to your right side, right foot completely, left foot just a little bit, right, and you can see her shoulders are both turn to your right side, so not halfway, right. Then you're going to inhale and bend behind a little, that's it. Exhale all the way towards that right knee, that's it, and hands up just like that. So keep pulling your hands up and your gaze towards that right knee, tighten your kneecaps, and you should aim towards moving your head towards your knee, right, and this is really good for the shoulders also. And while you're there, you're going to breathe normally, don't hold the pose. Well, don't hold the breath, you're going to breathe normally, right. Then when you're coming up, inhale, we'll be still looking at our right side. Then exhale, you're going to turn to the center with both feet, hands still interlace, fingers, yeah. Then you're going to release your fingers, that's it. Then you're going to bend your right knee and move to the left. So you have to repeat it to your left. So you're going to come to the right side and then again mountain pose. So you're going to bring your left foot to your left side, interlace your fingers, that's it. Inhale, exhale, turn to your left side, right. And then now I'll show you what you shouldn't do. So say you didn't turn and you're halfway there, then inhale, exhale, if you bend, you're bending somewhere in the middle, which is not the pose. So let's correct it again. So you're going to turn properly to your left side and inhale, behind gently, then exhale towards your left knee. And you have to keep pulling your hands up, right, and tighten your kneecaps. And you're going to hold the pose and breathe normally. Coming out, you're going to inhale, look at your left. That's it. Exhale, both feet to the center. Then release the fingers. Then bend your left knee and meet at the right. That's it. So hands apart, feet apart. After each pose, make sure you deep breathe. Deep breathe. So this deep breathing is really important after each pose, and before each pose, please make sure that you mobilize your joints, right? So hope you enjoy this pose. I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye for now.